What's your name, man, and equipment before we get a demo?
Shane, 2 Kicker Solo Barics, LS715s, and a TAR MD5K. Okay. That's what I have.
What is it? The ohm of the tariffs?
Yes.
Is it a 1 or a 2 ohm?
Oh, 1 ohm.
1 ohm. Are you wired to 1 ohm?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you metered it yet?
Yeah. I've done we done 150 sealed.
Nice.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, that's good.
Yes, sir.
Are you happy with it?
Thank you. Yeah, I'm very happy with it.
Okay. And then you got a MVX 4-channel amp down here?
Sir, for my mids.
Okay.
And I got a scarf for my highs.
Yes, sir. All right. And what did you say it was tuned to?
She tunes it about, the box is 35 hertz, but she peaks at 47.
47, okay, got it. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man.
All right. Hold on just a second.
What was your name?
Shane.
Shane. Does like the higher note. Yeah.
It does.
Like,
it really does.
Like 48, 45, something like around there, yeah.
The best one it does 50, at 47.
47? Okay. Nice.
Thank you.
Where's your battery?
In the back.
In the back. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. So you do have it back here. Okay. Nice. I like that. Sweet. Basehead Mafia. 160 dB group. I'm going to come over there and look. Nice and sealed off too, you can tell.
Thank you.
Is there any way I can put the seat up?
Yeah.
For a subwoofer view? Sorry. Perfect. Thank you.
All right, no problem, bud.
I like the port too.
Thank
It's
you.
pretty cool, especially the way you have it like sealed off, you can tell.
Thank you.
Good work. Thank you. Nice to meet you again, man.
You too, bud.
going on, everybody? This is JacobViral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.